Alright, we'll be starting 13.3. The first question: a metallic sphere of radius 4.2 is melted and recast into a shape of a cylinder of radius 6 centimeter. They're asking us to find the height of the cylinder. Okay, so remember it was first in the shape of a sphere, but they melted it and recast it into a shape of a cylinder. Okay, the radius changed, right? Radius of a sphere is 4.2, and then radius of a cylinder is 6 centimeter. They're asking us to find the height of the cylinder. Okay, so remember the volume will remain the same, because remember because the question did not say anything like they threw something away from the sphere. Okay, it's just that the shape changed from a sphere to a cylinder, so volume remains the same. So we'll be using the volume formula of both to find the height of the cylinder. Okay, so write down all this. Like I said, volume of the sphere should be equal to volume of the cylinder, right? Volume of a sphere, the formula is 4/3 pi r cube. Volume of the cylinder, pi r square h, right? So consider we can divide pi and pi common. We can divide them because they are common to both the sides. Okay, then the radius of the sphere is 4.2 cube, right? That's why we'll write it 3 times, and the radius of a cylinder is 6, so r square, so 2 times, right? Now remember, I'm trying to get this h, so this 6 and 6 will go down to the denominator by cross multiplication. All right, now we can start division. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 fours are 12, 6 1 6, 6 into 0.7, and 6 1 6, 6 into 0.7 equals 4.2. So we'll be left with 4 into 1.4 into 0.7 and 0.7, and then we have to multiply, and that's how we'll get the height of the cylinder to be equal to 2.74 centimeter. Question number 2. 3 solid spherical bits of radii 3, 4, and 5 are melted into a spherical bit. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. So 3 small sphere, they've been melted, and then it forms a bigger sphere. Okay, they're asking us to find the radius of the bigger sphere, right? Since we do not know, we'll take it to be equal to capital R. Also remember again, the volume will remain the same. Okay, which means volume of the smaller 3 sphere should be equal to volume of the resulting bigger sphere. All right, so I done a given and all. Once again, like I said, volume of the resulting sphere should be equal to volume of the 3 sphere. So volume of a sphere, the formula is 4/3 pi r cube, right? So I've written the formula for all of them here. You will see that what 4/3 and pi r common to both the sides, so which means we can divide them all. Okay, we'll be left with capital R cube equals r1 plus r2 plus r3, all of them cube. Okay, then r1 is how much? 3, r2 is 4, and then r3 is 5, right? That means 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube. 3 cube is how much? 27. 4 cube is 64. 5 cube is 125. Now our cube root, right? So I'll change to the other side. We'll have cube root of 216, and the cube root of 216 equals 6 centimeter. Okay, so you just have to find the factors like this. Okay, then 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 21, then 6 6 are 36, and 6 6 are 36, and 6 1s are 6. Alright, that is how we'll get the radius of the resulting bigger sphere. Let's do one more. Question number 3. A 20-meter deep well with diameter given to us is dug. Alright, so they have dug this, and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform of 22 meter by 14 meters. So remember, when we're digging a well, right, how do you say, the earth is going to come out, or the mud will be left, right? So with that mud, they made it into a platform of land into bread they've given to us. Okay, the question is find the height of the platform. They want us to find the height of this platform. So that means, well, once again, volume will remain the same, right? Because whatever earth was dug out, right, they change it into the shape of a cuboid. Okay, so volume will remain the same. So we can write down the given and all here. Like I said, volume of the well, which is in the shape of a cylinder, should be equal to volume of the platform, which is in the shape of a cuboid or rectangle. Okay, you can write here, let's write a cuboid. Okay, I think that will be better. Cuboid, B-I-O-D. Write down cuboid. Okay, so volume of the well, what is the formula? Pi r square h. Volume of a cuboid is length into breadth into height, right? So pi is 20/7, radius, diameter given to us 87, which means radius will be 7/2 square, right? So 2 times height is given to us 20. Then the length of the platform is 22, breadth is 14. We're asked to find the height. So once again, we're trying to find its height. So this 22 into 7, we'll do cross multiplication. It will go down to the denominator. Okay, now let's start division. 7 to 7, 7 to 7, 2 1s are, then 2 11s are, and again 2 1s are, 2 10s are 20, then 7 to 7, 7 2s are 14, then 2 5s are 10, 2 into 11, then 11s are 11, 11 1s are 11. We're having what? 5/2 equals height, right? When you divide, we're going to get the height of the platform to be equal to, or height of the cuboid to be equal to 2.5 meter in height.